so important in that video that they want us to learn. Okay, you ready? And go.
And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Have a great day. Kindness starts here. Rock!
This is Sea Lion leader Walter Leota with this week's announcements. Thanks for starting with hello and practicing peace. Let's keep the kindness going all year long. The reading lab is back starting this Monday. Make the most of your time with our reading teachers. Sea Lion Chorus will begin rehearsal on Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Yosa, the Seal Beach police dog, is visiting McGaw on Tuesday from 11:30 to 12:30. School Site Council meets after school on Wednesday. Thank you, parents, for getting involved in this important committee. We will have our second emergency drill on Thursday morning at 10:45. Kindergarten has its social emotional learning class in the media center on Friday morning at 10:05. Remember to buy your skate night tickets and join us on Monday, September 30. Thank you so much, Sea Lions. Have a fantastic week.
I got a raw book.
High five. Yeah.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Mrs. Tochioka wants to shout out UTK student Apollo Sarmiento. She said that Apollo was responsible and aware in the classroom when he used his words and asked for his paper. Great job taking care of yourself.
Kindergarten.
Miss Kim wants to shout out kindergarten student Miguel Covarrubia. She says that Miguel has worked really hard to learn his letters and sounds. He puts 100% effort in every single day. Way to be responsible, aware, and honorable, Miguel.
First grade.
Mrs. Jenks, our librarian, would like to say thank you to first grader Marina McHenry. She said that Marina set an excellent example for her classmates by saying a genuine thank you after checking out her book. Kindness matters here at McGaw.
Second grade.
Our second grade Rawbuck winner comes from Team Franderson. Congratulations to Allie Everson. Miss Melissa says thank you for taking time to put away equipment at recess. We appreciate you, and we can always count on Allie to give us a good smile and a positive attitude.
Third grade.
Congratulations to third grader Carter. Carter politely encouraged a friend to follow the rules and freeze when the bell rang. Mrs. Brandell saw what happened and gave out a Rawbuck. If this is you, I want to know who it is. Thanks so much, Carter.
Fourth grade.
Mrs. Salmonis wants to say thank you for being responsible and aware to fourth grader Max McCartan. She says thank you for being so positive, helpful, and eager to assist in getting the school ready for Peace Week. Way to go, Max. We appreciate you.
Fifth grade.
Mrs. Salmonis gave a Rawbuck to fifth grader Sophia Gayed. She was responsible, aware, and honorable in the classroom when she helped a classmate with writing revisions. She saw a friend needing a hand, and she stepped up. Thanks so much, Sophia, for doing the right thing and helping a classmate.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!